What's going on, everybody? It's Kyler again at Donnelly Ford of Shelby, highlighting this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. It's an LTZ Z71 package. This truck's beautiful, guys. Starting at the rear, you have the backup sensors there. You also have the tailgate drop from the remote. It does have a Chevrolet spray-in bed liner. Starting off in the front here, we have the memory 2-position front seats. It does have the dark brown and tan interior, heated and cooled seats, dual climate control. Coming to the rear, you do have a lot of space, this being a crew cab. It does have in-seat storage in the rear, under-seat storage in the rear, as well as heated rear seats. This truck is also running the 5.3 liter tried and true motor from GM. Plenty of power. If this truck is something that interests you guys, please give me a call. My extension is 4015, and come discover the Donnelly difference.